Today, we're digging into the science behind the buildings that are all around us.
It's way more than just bricks and steel. It's a whole system, starting deep underground.
So how do you actually anchor this massive structure to the ground? It all starts here.
Well, if you've got good, strong soil, you go shallow. If the soil's weak, you gotta go deep.
A raft foundation is kind of like a snowshoe, spreading out all that massive weight.
Okay, but what about water? How do you stop damp from creeping up the walls from the ground?
You lay down this waterproof barrier. It literally stops water from being sucked up into the walls.
All right, foundation solid. Now for the walls. And nope, it's not just about stacking bricks.
The pattern, or bond, is a trade-off. Do you want pure strength, or do you want better looks? You know, really long buildings actually need a little room to breathe as temperatures change. And that's why these expansion joints are a must for any building over 45 meters long. Let's talk stairs. Ever walked up a set that just felt wrong? Well, there's a science to it. First up is the going. That's simply the part of the step your foot actually lands on.
Then you've got the pitch, the angle. Too steep is dangerous, too shallow is just awkward.
And believe it or not, there's a golden rule, a formula for the perfect staircase. This little formula is the hidden math that makes a staircase feel totally natural to climb. To top it all off, we have the roof. For huge spans, you need seriously advanced concrete. Okay, you've got the basics down. Ready for a quick pop quiz to see what you've learned? All right, first question. Remember what we said about that weak soil and spreading the load? Yep, the answer's B. It's for when the ground just isn't that strong. Okay, next up. Which brick pattern was the more decorative one, not just the strongest? That's B, Flemish bond. It alternates the bricks in every single row for a better look. So you see, from the ground up, every single detail in a building has a purpose.
So the next time you walk into a building, what hidden details are you going to look for first?